we're gonna check out the Grand Suite here on the Empress deck, and this is room 7307, 430 square feet, and we're gonna check out and see what that looks like.
All right.
So this room is getting prepared for the next cruise. So here's your closet. You got pretty good closet space. You got your robes, you got your pillows, you got your life vest because you know you're gonna be doing that first things first. See over here, on the other side, just a little more hanging closet space. Got a really nice area here, just like a little kind of desk space. You got your bar for your cocktails, for your wine. And then you have your full room here. And right now it's set up with the two twins, which of course they can always push those together if you like. But it's still just quite spacious. Like if you're not used to this much room, this is quite spacious. And check this out, like this is a party room right here.
Yeah.
You have like all your buddies out here.
So let's do the bathroom.
That's a lot of space.
Yeah,
like,
it is.
You know, it's hard to get this much space on a cruise ship.
Oh, it's got a little sitting room here.
And this is where I can put all my makeup, so there's a lot of room for that.
Nice.
And then here's our bathroom. Oh, excuse me, sir.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Very comfortable, very spacious, and there's a bidet.
Oh, everyone needs a bidet.
A bidet, you say?
Oh, it's got a tub.
It's got a tub, and that's
nice.
That is not something you see often on a ship. So this is like the biggest bath. I've never had a bathroom this large on a cruise ship. Let's check out the balcony. Oh my gosh, guys! Now don't look down there. This ship hasn't left port yet, so we don't have the most like scenic view. But just imagine when you're out on the ocean, that nice ocean breeze, and you're living that lounge life on your chaise lounge.
Yeah, it's a nice big balcony.
So this is a really nice spacious balcony. You can have quite a few people in here, so
excellent.
Really good space. And that's it.
Yeah.
You've seen the room. So I like it.
Yeah, it's nice.
Guys, we're gonna check out another suite here. This one is a little bit smaller than one we looked at. This is also on the Empress deck. This is room 7317, and this is 340 square feet, and let's see what that gets you.
All right.
Ooh, right off the bat here, we've got the bathroom, and that's
what
I want to know.
Oh, there's no Eddie in the bathroom.
Oftentimes when we're touring a bathroom, we'll pop in and find Eddie just chilling here.
Well, this is still a nice bathroom. It's just not quite as big.
I don't want that reputation.
Still a nice tub.
But a tub, that's, you know, having a tub on a cruise ship, it's pretty sweet. I love a good bath, so. Nice, like, double sink space here. We've got granite, you've got great mirror space. You got room, like, you're not going to be, like, bumping into the walls. You can drop things, pick them up, do all that good stuff. All right, and so this is the main space of the room. This is a lot more roomy than just like your standard room, because usually you have your sofa right next to your bed, but in this case you have enough room to have your sofa across from your bed, so you can actually have like a little bit of a separate sitting space, which I think is super nice, just to kind of chill. Order that room service, order that late night room pizza.
Steph loves room pizza.
And then again, you've got a very spacious balcony in this suite, which is really nice. So this will be great to hang out and just kind of enjoy the ocean.
This is still like a double-sized balcony.
This is like a double balcony. It's a lot bigger than you'd normally get. So this is what you get with an ocean suite with large balcony, 340 square feet. So what you want to know.
Yeah. So what do we have here?
This is checking out a standard balcony. So this is usually like what we get when we're on a cruise. We just get a balcony. This looks super familiar. I mean, this is all you need. It's not like you're going to be in your room 24/7. You're going to be in the hot tub.
Yeah.
Plenty of room out here to chill and enjoy the sea breeze for two.
Enjoy the...
Sound wrong.
Surprise! So here's your bathroom. This is like, you know, your good standard cruise bathroom. Just your single sink, mirror, and your shower. And, you know, it's got your shower curtain, which I kind of like better than the glass enclosure.
Oh, really? I like the glass enclosure better.
I just don't, you know, it's not claustrophobic.
That's true.
You know, it's nice.
It does the job.
You know, it gets the job done. I don't have any complaints. And behind you is the closet space with the life jackets and
hard to open that.
A fair amount of
did I do that?
room here. I mean, it depends on how much you pack. If you pack like me, you might be a little tight.
All right,
but
bye stuff.
We'll see. Bye. All right, guys, so we're gonna check out room 9205 here on the Carnival Conquest. This is a junior suite, and let's take a look and see what it looks like. Come on in. All right, so first off, when you walk in here, you have a whole little like walk-in closet.
Ooh, that's nice.
This is what I expect when I'm in a nice suite. To have space for all of my stuff over here. You have shelving. You have your safe for all your passport, whatever you want to put in there, your money. Over here you have hanging space. And then over here is more just closet hanging space as well. So very, very roomy. So I could take all this, and then the husband could have this little tiny
Exactly, that
tiny
sounds
corner
about
that
right.
big. Let's see what the bathroom looks like on this one. Oh! Excuse me, sir.
Not doing the toilet floss. Another beautiful bathroom, except no bidet.
No
Another
bidet.
nice bathroom, but hey, we got a tub. We got nice granite. It looks very clean. We've got over here. We have a double sink.
That's nice.
So ample room. This is pretty spacious. Like this is, you know, you're getting your money's worth here when you're actually in a junior suite because you have a lot more space to work with. All right, let's check out here the actual room space itself. So
Ooh,
here
this
we
is
have
nice.
a really nice seating area over here. Got a lot of like space to put things, which is so fantastic. So you've got this whole little kind of built-in over here desk space with a stool. Put all your stuff there. Put all my stuff there. You've got your bed here. This is, you know, set up, pushed together, or you can separate that. You have another chair, and then you have an awesome balcony over here too. Let's take a quick peek at the balcony and see how much space we have here.
All right. Ooh.
So again, you've got, on these suites, you get a lot more balcony space. So this is more of like a double balcony, which is really nice. So you're not going to be too cramped here if you want to have like dinner or breakfast out on the balcony, which is nice. Right now we're still in port, so the view is not the most exciting thing you'll ever see. But when you're at sea, it's going to be fantastic. The room is showing its age a bit because this was like last renovated in 2009, I believe.
It's time.
But it's still nice. Like they do a good job keeping it up. I expect it'll probably be renovated fairly soon, but it's a nice space. And there you go. So that is your junior suite here on the Carnival Conquest.